So what's the best crypto mining software for PC? Now, disclaimer, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now, if you want to make money by mining crypto on PC, you could start with a few simple steps. The first is that you need to pick the right mining software. Okay, so a good choice is NiceHash. Okay, I'm here for the advice, so NiceHash. This software is easy to use. It helps your PC earn money by solving complex math problems. Just download it, install it, and let it run in the background while you use your computer. Okay? Step 2 is to join a mining pool. This is like teaming up with other people to mine together. It can make your chances of earning crypto higher because you share the work. Okay? A popular tool is Ethermine. Okay? I'll put it in the description. Once you join a pool, you can start getting rewards every day based on how much you contribute. Okay? A lot of people are doing this. Step 3 is to stay patient, okay, and keep learning. Mining can take time, but as you keep mining, you're gonna get better at it, and you might even earn a lot more. So don't be afraid to try new software and to make adjustments to your settings for the best results. And by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people on Crypto.com already, open an account through my referral link below because we can both get rewarded in very nice ways.